Here's a pickaxe program I've written to look at the values of the light dependent resistor and then move the servo motor based on those values. So what it does from the start is it looks at the input A4, which is the analog input connected to the light dependent resistor on the pickaxe chip, and it compares the values. Is it between these two values? If yes, move the servo motor to -90 degrees. It's that command there, 0.75. If it's not, then it moves on to this next step. Is it between these two values? Is it in the mid-range of the light levels? If yes, then move the servo to the midpoint. If it's not, then it looks at this third comparison. Is it between these two values, which is at the upper end of the illumination scale? If it is, then it moves the servo to the far right. And then after each of those, it goes back through this step here, through this debug step, which displays the actual value being reported from this input A4, the LDR. So you can see this is just at normal ambient light. In the room here is reading 179. If I shine a torch on it, you can see that goes all the way to, like that go to 252. So the maximum value can be 255. And then if I turn the torch off, it goes back to that. If I cover it with my finger, I see that it goes down to about 130. So this debug step gives me a good idea of the range of light values, or the range of values that that LDR will report for different light levels, which helps me tune these three options here.